Welcome to DBM's Tutorial Academy. Today, ang pag-uusapan po natin is all about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Okay? Sir, ano po ba ang rational number? A rational number can be written in the form of P over Q, where P is called the numerator, and Q is called denominator. Okay? Where denominator Q should not be equal to 0. Okay? So, hindi po pwede na ang denominator mo ay 0. Because if that denominator becomes 0, that rational number will be undefined. Okay? So, dito muna tayo. Let's start. Okay, we have 1/2 plus 4/2. Okay, this is a rational number with the same denominator. Ayan, parehas po silang denominator. Parehas silang 2. So, if ever that they are similar, they are same, you are just going to copy it. So, whatever the denominator, you are just going to copy it. So, ano po ba ang denominator na nakita natin dito? We have 2. So, 2. And then, you add the numerator. So, 1 plus 4. Okay. We got 5 over 2. You get it? Okay, so 5 over 2 is relatively prime to each other. 5 is prime, 2 is prime. Okay, 5 divided by 2 cannot be, and 2 divided by 5 cannot be also. So it means that this is already in the lowest term. Okay, this is our final answer. That is if they are similar. Okay, same. Pause nyo yung video at try nyo itong isolve. Okay. 4/5 plus 2/5. Yan. Pause nyo yung video. Try to solve. Alright. Ngayon, dahil ang kanilang denominator ay same, parehas, you're just going to copy it. Okay? So, we got 5. So, 4 plus 2, yun yung sa taas. So, we got 6 over 5. That will be our final answer. Why? Because, okay, 6 is a composite number, 5 is a prime number. Okay? So, 6 divided by 5 cannot be already. And 5 cannot be divided by 6 also. So, it means that is already in the lowest term. Alright? And they don't have any GCF anymore. Okay. So, let's have another one. Or you pause the video and then solve this one. Okay. 210 plus 4 over 10. Okay. The answer will be, yes, okay. You copy the denominator because they are similar. 10. Okay. And 2 plus 4, that will give you 6 over 10. 6 is composite, 10 is composite number. Okay, so it means they still have a GCF. Okay, greatest common factor. The greatest number that can divide both the numerator, 6, and the denominator, 10. Both. Okay, hindi pwedeng isa lang. Okay, so ano ba ang number na pwede mag-divide sa 6 at 10? Okay, very good. 2. Okay. 6 divided by 2 will become 3. 10 divided by 2 will become 5. Alright. So that will become our final answer. Alright. So let's have now addition of rational number which doesn't have any similar or same denominator. Let's start with 1/2 and 1/3. 1/2 plus 1/3. So as you can see, the denominator 2 and 3, they are not the same. In short, they are dissimilar. Right? So what are you going to do? You are going to get the LCD. LCD. The least common denominator. Okay? The least common denominator. So we are talking about denominator. So we're talking about the 2 and 3. Okay? Now, you are you're just going to keep skip counting. Okay, so skip counting by 2. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and we got 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, what is the first number that they are the same? Yes, correct, 6. Okay, now, I have another video. I have a video regarding on getting the LCM. Okay, so maybe you can visit that video para malaman ninyo kung paano ninyo makukuha yung yung LCD or yung LCM. Okay? Kasi ang pinagkaiba lang naman po ng LCM at ng LCD, okay? Ito kasi marami dito nalilito, okay? LCM. Least common multiple ang LCM. Okay? Least common multiple, LCM ang ginagamit natin if we are talking about whole number. Okay? But if we are talking about fraction, okay, we are using LCD. You get it? Okay. But the way how they will be getting ay parehas lang. All right? Now here, because we are talking about fraction and we are just talking about denominator, you are just going to focus on the 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So what is the LCD of 2 and 3? The answer will be 6. All right? 6. Now, if you are going to rewrite that one, okay, let's rewrite it here. We got 1/2 equals, and the denominator is 6. Okay, and we got 1/3 here, and the denominator is 6 also. Okay, because that is their LCD. Okay, so all you need to do is just to follow the direction that I'm going to explain. Okay, 6 divided by 2, the answer will be 3. Okay, and whatever the answer here, the quotient, you multiply it by the numerator, and then the answer is here. You get it? Okay. Now, you repeat the process on the second. Okay. 6 divided by 3. The answer will be 2. And whatever the answer here, the quotient, you multiply that to the numerator. And then you put the answer here. Okay. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1 will be 2. So, our new fraction now is 3, 6, and 2, 6. So this 1/2 will become 3/6. And this 1/3 will become 2/6. Okay, and just copy plus. Okay, and then go back to the idea of how you solve the number with the same denominator. Okay, so 3 plus 6, 3/6 plus 2/6. Okay, because their denominator are already the same, you are just going to copy, which is 6. Okay, 3 plus 2, that will become 5/6. You get it? Okay. Another example. We got 4/5 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Okay, now what is the LCD of 5 and 6? So if you are just going to skip counting, okay, if you are just, I'm just going to erase this thing so that we have, okay. Now, what is the LCD of 5 and 6? So if you're going to skip counting by 5 and by 6, the first number that they are the same is 30. Okay, so 30 is our LCD. LCD is 30. So you're just going to rewrite 4/5. The LCD is 30. Okay, 1/6, the LCD is 30. So the problem here is our numerator. So again, you're just going to follow the flow. Okay? 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the quotient is 6. You multiply it by 4, the answer is 24. You get it? Do you follow it? Okay? Yan yun, 24. Okay, again, you are just going to repeat it on the other fraction. So 30 divided by 6 will give you 5. Okay, and whatever the quotient 5, you multiply that to the numerator, which is 1. So 5 times 1 will give you 5. Okay, and now, because we have already rewritten the fraction, we are going to change this one. So 4/5 will become now 24 over 30. And 1/6 will become now 5 over 30. Alright? And now, we are going back to the rule of addition of rational number which has same denominator. Because they have the same denominator, you are just going to copy it. Okay? And 24 plus 5. Okay? And we got 29 over 30. That's it. You got it? Okay. Another. Okay, so let's have 210. Okay, 210. 210 plus 1 half. Okay, plus 1 half. Okay, again, if you're just going to skip counting by 10 and by 2, what is the first number that they are going to be the same? The answer is 10. So our LCD is 10. Our LCD is 10. Okay, now, you are going to rewrite it to 10. The LCD is 10. Okay, 1 half. The LCD is 10. Okay, and just follow the flow. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 2 will give you 2. Okay? Then repeat the same process on the second fraction. Okay? 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. 5 times 1 will give you 5. Now, we have two new fraction already. Okay? So your 210, okay? Your 210 will become 210. All right. Plus your 1 half will become 5 over 10. Okay, 7 over 10 is the final answer. Always simplify your answer to its simplest form or make it in lowest term. Okay, so in making the lowest term, I have a video also that, okay, you can visit that para hindi kayo malito sa paglo-lowest term. Alright? Okay. Now, let's move on to subtraction of rational number. Okay, we are going to subtract numbers with the same denominator, rational number with the same denominator. So again, you're just going to copy it. Then 4 minus 1, same. Okay, same process. Okay, the operation is just the what differs here is just the operation. Okay, yun lang naman ang pinagkaiba, yung operation lang. 4 minus 1 and 5 here, so it will become 3 over 5. Okay, simplify if necessary. Kung kinakailangan, i-lowest term. But here, 3 and 5, naka-lowest term na po yan. Okay, another one. Okay, 3/7, okay, minus 2/7. Okay, because their denominator is just the same, you're just going to copy it. 3 minus 2 is the numerator, so that will give you 1 over 7. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, now let's have the subtraction of rational number which has different denominator. So let's have 1 half. Okay, 1 half minus 1/5. Okay, so again, you are going to get the LCD. Get the LCD because they have different denominator. So whenever you see that they have different denominator, you're always getting the LCD. Okay, and then rewrite. So the LCD of 2 and 5 is 10. Okay, so 1/2, this is 10, the LCD, and 1/5, the LCD is 10. And then follow the flow. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. 5 times 1 will give you 5 here. Okay? And 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. And 2 times 1 will give you 2. Okay? So we have our new fraction, 5 over 10 and 2 over 10. So your 1/2 will give you 5 over 10. Okay? Minus 2 over 10. 2 over 10. Okay? So because their denominator are the same already, so you are just going to copy it. Copy. Okay? And then 5 minus 2 will give you 3 over 10. Final answer. Alright? You're getting it? Okay. So let's have another example. Let's have another example para mas maano ninyo, maintindihan ninyo yung topic natin. Okay. So we have here 2/3 minus 2/5. Again, if you're going to look on the denominator, they are different. Okay? They were really different. So what are you going to do? You're just going to get the LCD. And the fastest way to get the LCD is just do the skip counting. So you skip counting by 3 and skip counting by 5. The first number that they are the same is 15. So it means the LCD is 15. Alright? And then, after getting the LCD, you are going to rewrite the fraction. Okay? The fraction 2/3, and you put the LCD here. Alright? So we got here 2/5. And you put the LCD again. And then, follow the flow. Okay? So 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. So whatever the quotient here, you multiply that to the numerator. And that, the product, you are going to put here. 10. Okay, so our 2/3, the new fraction will be 10 over 15. Okay, and repeat the same process with the second fraction. Okay, the second rational number. 15 divided by 5 will be 3. So whatever the quotient here, you multiply that to the numerator, 2. Okay, so 3 times 2 will give you a product of 6, and you put that here. Alright, so we have 10 over 15, 6 over 15 as our new fraction. So 2/3 will become 10 over 15 minus 2. Your 2/5 will become 6 over 15. And going back to the subtraction of rational number with same denominator, you are just going to copy the denominator and then subtract the numerator. So 10 minus 6 will give you 4, and just copy the 15. Okay, that is the final answer. Hope you learned something from me. All right. Okay, so if you have some topics that you want me to discuss too, just comment down below, and I'll be glad to give my service to you. For now, bye-bye.